I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, this is simple. All you need to do is press the volume down and the power button simultaneously to take a screenshot. So 1 to go. Let's make sure the screen is on. 1 to go. And as you can see, a screenshot has been taken. And that's simply how to do it. So let's do it again. Just like that. If you want a shortcut to take a screenshot, you can simply also swipe down from the top to access the quick center. And in the quick center, you should see this option, which is the screenshot option. So what you want to do is tap on it like that, and it should also take a screenshot. Now, your screenshots are normally saved in the gallery app. So once you launch the AI gallery, you should see them as the most recent photos that have been taken up here. Or you can simply go to the album section and select the screenshots folder, and you should see all your screenshots right there. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.